and quickly ran back. Seal X took a laptop and a red bag. After the soldier finished in the restroom, he saw Seal X. The soldier didn't care and went inside. When the soldier went in, he saw everyone had passed out. He quickly ran in and woke up the boss and the soldiers.
Wake up! Boss, what's up?
Dr. Lee woke up and didn't see his laptop, making him angry. The soldier remembered and told him that a fake staff member had taken the red bag and laptop. The boss was furious and ordered the soldiers to quickly grab their guns and find that person. Elsewhere, Rose was waiting for Seal X to arrive.
Shake, what are you doing?
Seal X was still running quickly towards Rose's location. Seal X managed to reach Rose's location in time.
Yes, no.
The one chased me. But I'm not sure what will happen. Alright, let's go.
Seal X and Rose quickly left the area.
Alright, find it.
The boss was still searching for the person who took his laptop.
Alright, here's you, this way.
The boss and his soldiers split into two directions to search. Two SWAT members were still moving fast.
Go, move.
The SWAT members were unlucky as the boss spotted them. Dr. Lee raised his gun and fired. While running, two soldiers were ahead, so he quickly ran in a different direction. While running, the boss and the soldiers stopped to shoot at the SWAT members. The SWAT members quickly took cover in nearby bushes. Seal X returned fire and quickly continued running with Rose. The boss was furious and struck the soldiers, ordering them to quickly chase after the two SWAT members.
Look, this way.
Seal X and Rose ran to an abandoned house and quickly entered. The boss and his soldiers followed the SWAT members inside.
Alright, Rose, okay, let's go.
Seal X handed the bag to Rose and told her to stay downstairs while he went upstairs.
Let's go.
Dr. Lee and his soldiers also ran upstairs. Rose quickly subdued one soldier downstairs.
Bring it, okay.
Seal X ran upstairs and quickly took cover against the wall. A soldier saw Seal X and immediately raised his gun to shoot him. The boss ran out and also aimed his gun at Seal X, firing him.
Hey, boss, hold on. Fire. Yes, sir.
Downstairs, Rose is still facing lots of soldiers. Rose's gun ran out of bullets, so she quickly reloaded and moved towards the soldier. I As she approached the soldier, he kicked her gun out of her hand, causing it to fall to the ground. Rose kicked the soldier down to the ground and quickly picked up her gun, ending his life. Upstairs, a soldier was searching for the SWAT members. As the soldier walked out, the SWAT member shot and killed him. The boss noticed and quickly took cover against the wall. Seal X shot and knocked the boss's gun out of his hand. The boss quickly took cover. Seal X approaches where the boss was. He rushed in, but didn't find the boss there. The boss pulled out a knife. He ran towards Seal X and stabbed him straight in the body. Seal X leaned against the wall, injured. The boss, relentlessly, continued to stab Seal X with the knife.
No, man! Are you killing me?
Seal X was in pain as the boss stabbed him. He was suffering.
Say goodbye.
Luckily at that moment, Rose came upstairs. Rose saw the boss torturing Seal X and she shot the boss. The boss quickly ran away.
Sig, you okay? Sig, what happened?
Rose ran in and helped Seal X to the base to free his wounds. Johnny then puts on the boss's jacket.
Yeah.
Johnny considers something, but then dismisses it. He closes the car doors and enjoys the outfit he's wearing.
Ooh, yeah. Woo.
SWAT Seal X is searching for the boss and sees someone who looks like him. Seal X runs over and loudly tells Johnny to stop.
Hey, good move. Right your hand.
Johnny turns around in fear, not understanding what's happening. Seal X orders Johnny to drop what he's holding. Johnny complies and says a few words to the SWAT.
I didn't do anything.
Dr. Lee, covered in injuries, slowly wakes up. Seal X moves towards Johnny. The SWAT arrests him and takes him back to the base for questioning.
You have been arrested. Shut up. Let's go.
Inside, Dr. Lee sees the SWAT taking the mechanic away and looks on in astonishment. Dr. Lee opens the car door and leaves. Two henchmen see someone resembling the boss being taken away by the SWAT, so they shoot. Dr. Lee comes out and sees his henchman chasing the wrong person. He wants to shout, but can't. Seal X rushes away with Johnny. The two henchmen continue their pursuit. Seal X stands up and shoots at the criminals chasing them. They return fire. Seal X uses to take down one of them.
I don't know.
Seal X, controlling Johnny, continues to run. The remaining henchman chases after them.
Come here.
Seal X and Johnny hide behind a wall to evade the henchman's pursuit. The henchman slowly searches for the SWAT. The SWAT sees the henchman looking for him and doesn't hesitate to take him down. Dr. Lee, injured, arrives and sees his henchman lying motionless.
Hey!
He checks and finds him dead. Dr. Lee grabs a gun and leaves. The elevator opens, and Seal X, still holding Johnny, takes him to the SWAT team leader's office. Johnny is confused, not understanding what's happening. The team leader sees this and quickly approaches, recognizing Johnny.
Hey, cause the wrong person. This is fake.
The team leader takes out his phone and shows Seal X, the real boss, Dr. Lee.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Why do you do that?
The team leader is very angry that Seal X didn't complete his mission. He severely scolds the SWAT.
Get up here! Now!
Seal X leaves angrily, removing all SWAT-related gear and throwing it on the ground. The team leader apologizes to Johnny for the huge mistake.
Sorry for everything.
Okay.
The elevator opens, and Seal X, still furious, leaves. The real Dr. Lee returns to avenge his fallen comrades. The team leader and Johnny sympathize with each other. He orders two SWAT members outside to carefully escort Johnny.
Okay.
Okay. Goodbye. Okay. Thank you so much.
Dr. Lee majestically steps in and confronts the SWAT and Johnny. Without hesitation, Dr. Lee raises his gun and kills the SWAT members one by one. Hearing gunshots, the team leader rushes out. Johnny is terrified. The team leader rushes out intending to shoot, but Dr. Lee is quicker and takes him down as well. Dr. Lee laughs triumphantly, successfully avenging his comrades. He approaches Johnny. Johnny sees Dr. Lee and fearfully begs him not to kill him, but Dr. Lee doesn't intend to kill him.
Alright. Forgive me, please. Forgive me. I can't do saving you. Okay, let's go.
Dr. Lee takes Johnny with him. Johnny is still scared by the scenes he's witnessed. The boss happily doesn't require Johnny to return the outfit. He says a few words to Johnny, and they leave together.
Follow me, and I will protect you, okay? Let's go.
Hey, are you done?
Almost done. 20 seconds.
Hi. Do you have any food? I'm so hungry.
Yes, almost done. Hurry, hurry.
Here.
Huh? You done? It's breakfast, boss.
Okay.
Enjoy it.
Huh. Sit down, come on. Oh, very good.
I'm not hungry.
You're nutty. Did it, sir? All right.
Wrong.
What's up?
Hurry.
Finish it.
Guess that.
Go.
Yes, sir. You go.
No, you go. I don't know.
Nice. Damn it.
Sir, lost laptop. Hi, go. Go.
Hey, what happened? Have a squad.
Alright, cheers. Go. Lucy.
Hey,
Alright, go, go.
shoot them.
Go. This guy. Alright, go.
Hey.
Alright, go.
At the beginning of the film, there's a scene of a cheerful conversation between SWAT SEAL X and the assassin Jack.
How do you feel?
Yeah, I like it.
This guy is so beautiful.
Oh, yeah, I think so.
From a distance, an imposing soldier appears walking down the street. Suddenly, he sees Jack and SEAL X having a conversation.
Yeah, everything
yeah,
is fine.
No, impossible.
The soldier notices something, then he leaves.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm so
SEAL X feels thirsty
Let me get
and
water.
tells Jack to stay here while he goes to get water.
Hey, wait a minute.
The soldier leaves the bus where Jack and SEAL X were having their conversation earlier.
Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Boss is here. Son.
The boss sees Jack and appears delighted. However, Jack doesn't recognize him and shoots out them both to quickly take cover.
Son, it's me. What?
The boss tries to explain the situation to Jack and Jack stops firing his gun.
What do you want? What are you doing here?
I'm so brother.
The boss steps forward and speaks, but Jack doesn't listen and continues shooting. SEAL X hears gunshots, quickly runs over and sees Jack confronting the boss and the soldier. Without hesitation, SEAL X shoots at the boss. Seeing this, the soldier also returns fire at the SWAT. Jack and Seal X run out together to attack the boss. The boss in anger charges out and shoots Seal X, injuring him. Seeing this, Jack frantically shoots back at the opponent. The soldier is forced to come out and surrender. He reveals his identity, and the boss is to Jack.
It's me!
The boss also comes out and explains everything to Jack to help him remember. Jack starts to feel that something is wrong as the boss and the soldier continue to stir up memories.
Yeah, good.
Despite this, Jack chooses to shoot the soldier dead. Seeing this, the boss becomes angry and shoots back at Jack. The boss runs up to Jack and scolds him for his actions.
This way!
Jack gradually starts to remember his past with the boss.
Let's go!
Go! You go first!
Alright, Son! It's me! Son! No one! Let's go with me! Come on! Go!
Jack had pushed the boss away and was fighting alone against two SWAT officers. Unfortunately, he was critically injured by the SWAT and loses consciousness.
Son! It's me! Remember!
The injured SEAL X tries to grab his gun and goes to Jack's side.
Son! Remember!
Finally, Jack recognizes the boss.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
SEAL X moves to point his gun at the boss, but Jack stops him SWAT style.
We are friends. We are friends. Just no. Please, we are friends.
At this moment, the boss and SEAL X are sitting together listening to the story Jack is telling. The boss turns around to see that Jack is fainting. He immediately shoots toward the SWAT team, but the SWAT fire back more accurately, forcing the boss to flee hurriedly.
Yeah, you guys, how do you feel?
The story doesn't end there. SEAL X is patrolling the street when the severely injured Jack crawls out and faints. SEAL X arrives to find Jack lying motionless there. He carries him back for medical treatment.
Hey!
Yeah,
Very good.
nothing.
Thank you so much.
It's nice.
Afterwards, the boss and
Yeah,
Jack happily
okay.
leave together